Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add money on Venmo from a debit card or bank account. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Venmo app and log into your account. Make sure you've already linked either a debit card or bank account. If not, go to the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner. Once your preferred payment method is connected, return to the main screen and tap the three lines again. From the menu, select Manage Balance. On this screen, choose Add Money. Enter the amount you want to transfer, let's say $25. Then tap Done and press Next. A summary will appear showing the amount, the source of funds, and the estimated arrival time. Bank transfers usually take 3 to 5 business days, while debit card transfers are often instant. Review the details, and if everything looks right, tap the green Add Money button to confirm the transaction. Venmo will send you a confirmation email once it's complete. So that's basically how you can add money on Venmo from a debit card or bank account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.